Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, we do have mud flaps on the rear, a nice sleek looking body, blind spot detection, we have this lime green accent along the sides, mud flaps on the front, a nice black hood deflector, license plate bracket, 2 tow hooks, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior with that same lime green accent, plenty of door space, got cup holders, nice little 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can lift up the seats if need be. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space, got your parking brake and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see that the odometer is sitting at 6.2 kilometers. We do have nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Now looking at your main screen here, we do have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage, but you do get storage underneath, cup holders, USB and USB-C, leather wrap center console with tons of storage. You have your rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, nice little coin slot, climate controls, 12-volt and 2 USB-Cs, storage above as well as below, storage right here. We have our auto stop auto start, backup camera, hazards, and traction. And looking at our main screen here, you do have your audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities. You got your phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, all that fun stuff, apps in general, such as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF01286, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.